owners are turning their twilight years into their true golden years by creating a legacy they can be proud of leaving their children and their children's children. Hello! Some people call my team Art at Starwelcome because my friend Art has discovered a curious way to leave your family with an absolutely amazing legacy. See, Art has helped a lot of folks with their taxes. No surprises there. But he's also been in a lot of interesting conversations with parents who have paid off or are really close to paying off their house. Their kids are grown up and out on their own and possibly even having families of their own already. And the folks I'll be talking to will honestly be feeling a sort of emptiness kind of feeling where they have gotten this far. They worked hard to provide for their kids when they were raising them. Now they can relax and have their days off to themselves. But it's also got them feeling a little empty and in some cases irrelevant. It's almost like their life is behind them and now they're just on one big vacation. And it's fun and comfortable, but there's no real impact or significance to what they're doing. As they think about what they leave to their children when the time comes, they start thinking of maybe selling their house or investing their savings in stocks and so on. But the problem is most of the income there just goes to the capital gains tax, to the government, not their families. And once that money they would leave behind was gone, that's it. Compared to, say, a family heirloom that's been cherished for generations. Well, believe it or not, there's a way to leave behind a substantial legacy for your family that'll ensure their livelihood, while also giving them something they'll really be able to appreciate and almost live in, without having to start some huge business or even leaving the comfort of your home. Art and I put together a free training that shows exactly how this works. And if you watch to the end here, I think it might be really valuable to you. So, if you'd like to leave your family a valuable and endearing legacy that will get them through even difficult times, I look forward to seeing you in the free training and guaranteeing this years are truly your golden years.